What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday, August 21st here, and on today's update, we're going to be talking about XRP, what it could be doing. Could it actually break out of its current downtrend, or are there more downside to go before that happens? We're going to get right into it, taking a look into some of the key levels that XRP does need to either break out or break down in order to get to the next price target. Either that would be both the downside or the upside. Now, before we begin today, if you guys don't already have a Webull account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks value from $3,000 to $3,000, depending on your luck. When you open an account and deposit $100 using my referral link down below, I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up using my link below, so that directly supports my channel. Lastly, none of this is financial advice. I am not an elite trader of any kind, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits during my last bear market here. Now let's dive right into the chart and see what's going on in the market. I will also give you my personal opinion on what I think is going on as well, and what I think the next move is. Let's take a look into the XRP chart here, where price action has been on this downtrend for quite a couple of weeks, actually, since price action has gone up to about 93 cents. It went as low as about 44 cents recently. And what I think is happening here is that it could be forming a falling wedge pattern. Not exactly formed yet on this daily time frame. I don't think I even see it on the hourly time frame that we have a developed falling wedge pattern. Maybe on the hourly time frame, maybe, since we do have two very close wicks there. But okay, all right, we do have a very long falling wedge pattern on this daily time frame. But on the daily time frame is my main focus, because it looks like we could have a double bottom pattern here that could be forming if the price action comes down to about that 50-cent area, which is also where the daily 200 SMA is, the orange line. Now, both a falling wedge pattern and a double bottom pattern are usually bullish. Not absolutely. There's no absolutes in this market, but it's usually bullish. Okay. Now, if the price action breaks out of this falling wedge pattern, I have a measured target depending on when it breaks out. Okay. If, let's just say if, right, it is only theoretically, right, if it breaks out at, let's just say, August 30th. There is no importance in this date. It's a randomly chosen date, so I can get a measured target. I would have a measured move of about 75 cents. Okay, measure moves are estimates only. It may or may not be reached, and it most likely won't be reached overnight, right? So that is a measure move, given all the ifs we have talked about. Now, if the price action does break out of this double bottom pattern, it looks like it will be a sub breakout. I mean, it will be a sub measure target, because it seems like this is the smaller pattern. And if this double bottom pattern, breaks this falling wedge pattern, right, then it may be on its way to the measure move of the falling wedge pattern. But you really have to refresh your charts along the way in case if anything doesn't seem right. Now we are at some major levels here, including the daily 200 SMA. We do have possible bullish divergence on this daily time frame. Let's take a look into the higher time frames as well. Well, we do see the 3-day 200 SMA at about 50 cents. Weekly 200 SMA at about 52 cents, right? Let's take a look into the monthly as well. We do have the monthly 50 SMA at about 50 cents. So quite a bit of support beneath the price action. But let me tell you guys, what I'm really looking at is basically Bitcoin. And Bitcoin also has a very strong correlation with the stock market. The benchmark that I use is the S&P 500 futures, which is ES1 exclamation mark, because it is opened beginning on Sunday afternoon Pacific Standard Time. Right, so I can get a little bit of a head start on reading the markets. Now, that is basically what I'm really looking for as drivers of the market. First is going to be S&P 500, which has very strong correlation with crypto, namely Bitcoin, on the monthly time frame especially, even though there are some disconnects. And then Bitcoin is basically the driver of most of the crypto markets. Now, would this be an anomaly where Bitcoin disconnects from XRP? It could be. I don't have XRP. I'm doing this for viewership, right? But if you guys do want more updates on this, I would definitely bring you more updates on XRP. Let me also fix this measure move here. It looks like it could be, at still about 75, 76 cents here. Okay. Now, of course, these are just my sole opinions of the markets. Do your own due diligence and research and homework before you take any action, because you're responsible for your own money, either if you lose or you gain. Now, these are my updates for today for XRP. Hope you guys have a great night. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.